Hey everyone. If you want to manage your projects in Vercel dashboard in 2026, like organizing deployments, domains, and settings, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to do it. First, open Vercel and log into your account. The dashboard shows all your projects in one place. Next, click on a project to open its details. This is where you control everything related to that project. Now go to the Deployments tab to view all builds and versions. You can track preview and production deployments here. After that, open the Settings tab to configure environment variables and build settings. This is important for customizing your project. Next, go to the Domains section to add or manage custom domains. You can connect your website domain easily. Now check analytics and logs to monitor performance and errors. This helps you fix problems quickly. After that, use preview deployments to test updates before publishing. This ensures your live site stays stable. Finally, delete unused projects or organize your dashboard. This keeps everything clean and easy to manage. So yeah, that's how you manage projects in Vercel Dashboard in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll have full control over your workflow. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Vercel tutorials for fast guides.